What's up, TikTok? So here I have this old Mariner chain. I've had it laying around for quite some time. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of scratched up. It's dull, it's not shiny as it should be. So this is how I go about cleaning the chains. It's gonna be not the only alternative because we can do it various ways, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So I'm gonna throw it in this tumbler. I'm gonna put just a little bit of water as long as it gets over the top with all the shot in there. I'll put a little bit of palm olive so everything gets cleaned out. You can also use Dawn dish soap, whichever one's gonna work fine. You don't want too much in it. And I'm gonna throw the chain in there, and I'm gonna probably tumble it for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and you're gonna see right now how it comes out looking. So I didn't polish this, I didn't sand it, I didn't do any of that. I just threw it in the tumbler, left it for 2 hours, and this is how it comes out looking. It comes out really shiny, super shiny. Any tiny scratches that it will have, it's still gonna have it. It's not gonna polish it, it's just gonna give it a shine. So the best way would be get the chain, polish it, clean it up, get rid of all those tiny scratches, and throw it in the tumbler. If you're not worried about those, some of them microscopic scratches, you can just throw it in the tumbler, and this is how it's gonna come out looking. As you can see, it's super shiny compared to how it looked. So yeah.